Hello everyone, I am Rajarajeshwari from SNS College of Technology in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. So in my lecture video, today we are going to see about machine learning process and the preliminaries. So the basic thing we have seen in our last lecture video is the classifications of machine learning, which is supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. So supervised learning having the labeled data which is known input and output, and unsupervised learning have a unlabeled data which have an known of only input and unknown of output, and reinforcement learning is a trial and error method. So in this lecture video, the learning objective is to understand the complete machine learning process and to learn the machine learning preliminaries and terminology, which is to understand the flow from data to deployment. The first thing in machine learning process is to collect the data, that is data collection, data cleaning, future engineering, model training, evaluation, deployment and monitoring. So these are the basic process which have to followed in the machine learning process. And the first step is to data collection, which is the data from databases, sensors, web and logs, that and all. In this sources we are mainly used to collect the data which has a primary or secondary data. So the data quality and quantity impact model is an accuracy. So under primary data we have a survey and questionnaire method, that is interview, observation and experiments, that and all in the primary data. So in secondary data we have a literature review, government databases and commercial databases and web scraping. This and all comes under secondary data. So these are the main thing which is followed, the first thing which is followed in the machine learning process. And the next thing is data pre-processing, which is mainly used to cleaning the collected data, which is handling missing values, future scaling and encoding. So the first step is when we are collecting the data, the next we are going to clean the collected data by using the machine learning algorithms to handle the missing values by using scaling and encoding method. So next thing is model training. So in model training we have to select the suitable machine learning algorithm, which is to train the model using training data, and the model will learn the patterns. So these are the structure of model training. The first we are going to collect the data and to pre-processing the data to train the model by selecting some machine learning algorithm which is have the model architecture, and we are going to train that model by using some optimization algorithms by using the training data. The model will learns the what patterns that and all comes in the training set, and this is the model training method. And the next thing is model evaluation. So in evaluation we have some common regression metrics. So that is the regression comes under supervised learning. We have the classification regression. So under regression we have the overfitting, underfitting, bias, variance and lasso, ridge, that and all comes under overfitting. We are going to find the least squares which have the mean squared error by using the test data for evaluation. The metrics is for accuracy, precision, recall, and to identify the overfitting and underfitting. So the four common regression metrics are mean squared error, root mean squared error, mean absolute error, and R square. So these are the common regression metrics to evaluate the model. So next class we are going to see about the next method. Thank you.